Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the color theme in Visual Studio Code. First of all, you open your Studio Code. Now, you can see my color change has been changed already. I will change it in front of you. For this, first, play on YouTube. Then, click on Command Palette. In the prompt, he will write the same color and click on that button. After that, these are the colors of Visual Studio. I will choose one of them. Now, you can see the color of my Visual Studio Code has been changed. Then, we will use the same method and change color again. That's all the way to change color theme in Visual Studio Code. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.